The training down here in the cellar never stops. It's 24/7, be it mental, physical, sexual. We just go until we can't go anymore. TKO. Technical knockout. Breathe.
So I'm at.
I'm not counting.
Oh.
Work it. Work. Go! Go! Go!
The bus.
Go! Today's technology has really allowed our training to reach new heights, explore new realms. It's really astounding. Headquarters, or HQ, is essentially limited to my parents' basement, but we make do. Panic room, fallback point. It's also storage. Look at Logan's taking a nap. Shh. VHS collection. Ooh, Jenna Elfman and Krippendorf's Tribe. It's just a dream! Lately, fundraising has become a real game of cat and mouse. We've had to expand our horizons and really focus on the timeless art of exploitation. In the winters, we sell fake 50-50 raffle tickets at middle school volleyball games.
Once we grave robbed.
That's too much work, and plus Logan forgot the shovels. Bryant here inherited some gumball machines on the other side of town, but those aren't that lucrative. Today we embark on an all-American can drive, posing as a startup junior college basketball team.
It's a can't miss. What'd you guys do? Where's your jersey?
It's 90 degrees outside.